How to scale PPC ads without losing control. Define what losing control means. Once you understand what losing control means, we will know how to scale PPC ads. In our agency, whenever it comes down to scaling, we are never going to burn more than 10 to 20% on non-converting advertising. The reason for that is because that is the best way we found that ads are going to work, especially the ones that we're scaling. Example, if you have a $10,000 monthly spend, out of that it's $2,000. This is in case that it's not a product launch, it's just how we are allocating the one product, how we're allocating the budget. If it's a product launch, you're going to lose control because you're gathering data and you don't know what you don't know. But if this is within a brand that already they have a clear way of, okay, I just want to grow and I just want to get additional revenue. If we're spending more than 10 to 20% of their ads on things that don't work, it's going to hit us hard and they're going to question if we know what we're doing, even if we prove them for the past 6+ years. For the past few months, we already know what we're doing. They're not going to believe us just because they know better. What I learned from managing brands, people get emotional, scared, and so on, especially because money is involved. Unless it's really like we want to go heavy on ads and they're okay with that and they're okay with losing money.